Welcome, seekers of wisdom. Today we are going to explore a powerful topic that can transform the way you interact with others. Imagine being able to command respect without uttering a single word. Sounds intriguing, right? The ancient Stoics understood the importance of nonverbal communication, and we'll dive into their insights to uncover the secrets of commanding respect silently. 1. Maintain eye contact. When you lock eyes with someone, you're not just seeing them, you're being seen. The Stoics believed in the power of direct gaze, not as a challenge, but as a sign of confidence and self-assurance. Think of it like this. When you're willing to meet someone's gaze, you're showing that you're not intimidated or afraid. You're demonstrating that you're comfortable in your own skin. To practice this, focus on maintaining steady eye contact during conversations. It's not about staring aggressively, but about being present and engaged. When you do this, you'll notice that people start to take you more seriously. 2nd, posture and body language. Your body speaks volumes about your character, even before you utter a word. The Stoics emphasize the importance of maintaining good posture and open body language. When you walk into a room with your shoulders back and head held high, you're exuding confidence and self-respect. When you're slouching or crossing your arms, you're sending signals that you're closed off or defensive. On the other hand, when you're standing tall with your arms uncrossed, you're showing that you're approachable and confident. 3. Dress for respect. The Stoics believed in living simply, but that doesn't mean neglecting your appearance. When you dress well, you're showing respect for yourself and others. It's not about flashy clothes or designer labels. It's about presenting yourself in a way that commands respect. Think of dressing well as a form of self-care and self-respect. When you take care of your appearance, you're demonstrating that you value yourself and your time. This, in turn, earns you respect from others. 4. Punctuality and reliability. Time is a precious commodity, and the Stoics understood the importance of respecting it. When you're punctual and reliable, you're showing that you value other people's time as much as your own. This earns you respect and builds trust. When you're consistently late or flaky, you're sending signals that you're not considerate of others. On the other hand, when you're on time and follow through on your commitments, you're demonstrating that you're responsible and dependable. 5. Be prepared. Preparation is a key aspect of Stoic philosophy. When you're prepared for meetings, conversations, or challenges, you're showing that you're responsible and capable. Think of preparation as a form of self-respect. When you take care of the details, you're demonstrating that you value your time and energy. The Stoics would say that preparation is a form of inner strength, a way to build resilience and confidence. When you're prepared, you're better equipped to handle unexpected challenges and setbacks. 6th, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a key aspect of Stoic philosophy. When you're fully engaged in the present moment, you're demonstrating that you value your time and the people around you. Think of mindfulness as a form of self-awareness. When you're present, you're better equipped to navigate life's challenges. The Stoics believed in the importance of living in the present moment, rather than getting caught up in worries about the past or future. When you're mindful, you're showing that you're in control of your thoughts and emotions. 7. Listen actively. Active listening is a powerful way to show respect for others. When you focus on listening rather than speaking, you're demonstrating that you value others' thoughts and opinions. The Stoics believed in the importance of self-control, and active listening is a key part of that. Think of it like this. When you're fully present and engaged in a conversation, you're showing that you respect the other person's time and perspective. Active listening builds trust and rapport, and it's a key component of strong relationships. 8. Emotional control. The Stoics were masters of emotional control, and this is perhaps one of the most powerful ways to command respect without saying a word. When you're able to remain calm and composed, even in challenging situations, you're showing that you're in control of your emotions. Think of it like this. When you're easily ruffled or reactive, you're showing that you're controlled by your emotions. On the other hand, when you're calm and collected, you're demonstrating that you're the master of your own inner world. So, there you have it. 8 ways to command respect without saying a word, straight from the Stoics' playbook. Remember, it's not about manipulating others or seeking validation. It's about cultivating self-respect and confidence. As you incorporate these practices into your daily life, You'll notice that people start to take you more seriously. You'll earn respect without having to demand it. And that's the power of nonverbal communication. If you're interested in diving deeper into Stoicism and philosophy, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Let's continue this journey of self-discovery and growth together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.